This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jamie.Kudary. This home is ready to be loved again. Needs cosmetic updates but is a solid home with hardwood floors. Additional floor plan with 4th bedroom, sunroom, large closets and converted garage bonus space. Both full and half baths have been updated. Seller to make no repairs as is. No known defects. Large laundry/mud room leads to detached garage with workshop and extended driveway space. So much to appreciate. For more information, review the details below or contact Jamie.Kudary at 757-217-4200.